Hi, it is Vicky with the Happy Budgeting Mom. Today I am going to be cash stuffing $165 into my long-term savings. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in watching, stay tuned because the cash stuffing starts now. So today I do have my cheat sheet out that tells me how much money I'm going to be putting into each one of my challenges. And some of my challenges are in this planner, so I am going to leave this out, but I'll move it to the side. And then I want to start with my old mortgage binder. Now it is my pay off my truck binder. I decided last quarter that all of the money that I was saving towards my additional 2 mortgage payments for 2025, that I now want to apply all of this to paying off my vehicle loan first. So that's what happened in the first quarter. I was able to bulk up some payments, so that was really nice. Today we are starting with April, and so I have these challenges here. I have the coin challenge, which I'm going to set aside probably just into the back until I can get some coins, and then one of these days I will work on the coins. I think I'm going to do lilac because when I think of April, I think of, springtime, Easter baskets, Jesus's resurrection. It's going to be purple. So today we are going to be adding $15 into my April challenge because 60 divided by 4 is 15. I am doing week number 1 for $7. And then for April, I'm going to jump to week 2 and do 20. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this. And so this one is going to get like 3 3/4 of these circles colored because they're $4 a piece. Okay, so I have $15 for this first one, $7 for the second one. There's 5, 6, 7, and then 20 for this one. So for the total for today, what I'm going to be adding is 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, and 42. And let me go ahead and put that in here for starting April. And that is a good kickoff for us for the next set of car payments. Okay, so that binder is finished. The next one that I want to jump into is my white binder. And here I am going to be starting this new challenge here, and it is by Angela Marie 888. It is a roll and save. And the thing with this though is I did not budget this money. So what I'm going to, let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to roll the dice twice and then put those amounts in. And then next week I will cash stuff those amounts. Because I don't have the money for that today, since I've already done my budget for this month, or for this week, sorry. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So the first one is 2. Okay, so this one that says Jesus, I'm going to put a 2. And then the other one is 2. So this cross is 2. I wonder if I should go ahead and do, well, no, I'll do those next week. I just am not going to have any surprises on this. And I wonder if I have $4 that I can just secretly add. Let's see. I think that I do, actually. $4. So I didn't budget that today, but I do have it. So I'm going to go ahead and add it today. And then I'll just put that down on my sheet that I did for. And that is for mini April. Okay, because I'd like to keep track of like where all the money is going. Alrighty, so my 2025 Fridays, I did empty this out after the first quarter, and I put that money towards the money that I deposited for the additional car payments. So today I am starting the new quarter, and I am putting in $4. So there it is, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this next quarter will again go towards an additional funding for the car. My Save 2025 and 2025. Last quarter, I saved $554. That went to the bank and was applied to a car payment. Woohoo! Very exciting. We are going to start this quarter here now. And today this is getting $40. So I think I'm going to use, for this quarter, I'm going to use this color Sharpie because it kind of matches. So for $40, I am going to do 27 and 13 because that equals 40. Okay, so there's 20 and 40. All right, and then lastly in here, no, it is not lastly. I have other challenges that I forgot I added. We're going to add $5 to the Save with Judy, and this coloring sheet though is in my planner. So there's 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. $80. This is a new savings challenge that I am starting. I've had these sitting around for a little bit, and this is going to go towards 1 month of my electric bill. And that might pay not quite half during the summer, but I'm going to start this one so we can just have, you know, a kick for that. The $10 challenge is what I'm calling this one, and we're going to do $10 today. This one I can put back away. Okay, so here's the $10 for this one. And I think that I know that I got this off of Etsy. I was going to say eBay. And I think it was by the same gal who made the cat challenge, Carrie J maybe. I will double check. All right, and then this one is my letters to Santa, and what this is when I come across dollar bills that have a J on them. that is the letter that I decided to save in 2025 towards my letters to Santa. I did get some this week. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to go into my letters to Santa mailbox. And then I am going to be finishing up this probably Black Friday and opening it up and see what I have so I can use that towards Christmas. So, oops. So here's my letters to Santa mailbox. Here's my envelope. And this is already getting kind of full. And it's just because, you know, when you get a couple of bills and fold them up, they get really chunky. And that is it for in here. I do have a new savings challenge that I want to add for the month of April. And it is one of those Save with Friends challenges. What did I do with it? Oh, it's one of these group plays. I've never done a group play before, so this is my first time. It's by Angela Marie 888. I did download this from her. I think it was on her Ko-Fi, but it might be a Google Drive. But you can check out her channel here on YouTube, and it will take you to this. Since I've never played one, I don't know what to do or expect yet, so I'm gonna wait until I can see her video and figure out how to play it and then add this to the group. So this will be coming up next time, and we can add money then when I know what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, so I am done with this binder for today. So then I am back in my planner, and I need to go to my challenges, which are here. And we can color in an Easter basket now because we just put that money in with Save with Judy. I think I'm trying to decide what colors that I want to have for my, and I don't know what colors I want to do. I think I'm going to make the eggs pink for this one. And maybe each Easter basket can be different. You know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to make the eggs all different colors. Just because I think that would be pretty and something different for today. And let me do a yellow one. Okay. And then I will color this particular basket, this blue color. Okay, so Save with Judy is done for another week. My YouTube monetization calendar, my YouTube tracker, this is where I am counting how many hours that I have listed on my watch hours. I did want to hit 1,000 by March 31st. That is a goal that I did not make it. I was this close. So I do not get to color in another one until I get some more watch hours. So yeah, so I did budget $5 for this. And since it didn't happen, the $5 will just carry over until next week. And that's perfectly fine. This, no rain, that makes me sad. Oh, because it has just been already so awful and so dry and hot here. It makes me ill. Okay, the next challenge I'm going to be doing is the 52 week. And I have budgeted number 46 and number 3. So I don't know where my dry erase marker is. So I'll have to do that later. But let me go in and put in $3 for number 3. There's the 3. And then the other one is 46. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this back out because all I have is a 50. And then I can just do a little fully funded tag in here. Where did I have those fully funded? That way this binder isn't real chunky and I don't have problems with it. So here's one that's fully funded for the 3 and with the 46. So actually it should be number 4. I can count. All right, so that is going to be fully funded with this 50 that is going into 46. Oh, and the $50 star note that I thought was in here the other, I think that was on maybe Wednesday's video, Tuesday's video. I don't remember, but I couldn't find it. I did find it. It was in my birthday. No, it was in my 1 month ahead with the water. And so I moved it back. So now it is in here. So, so I did find my star note. But anyway, so this is going to be that. And then I need to go in here and put my little stickers on it. Let's do pink today. And I did number 4. And I did number 46. Okay, so I need to change that on here. Take away the 3 and put a 4. Okay. All right. And then I have my Thanksgiving challenge. This one today is getting $10. And let's see. So there's 8, 6, and 6. This is set 8. Oh, okay. So I'm going to be doing 5, 6, 7, 8. I was trying to think how I wanted to do this because I'll have 2 carry over and then we'll finish this one up next week. So, because this should be a total of 20. All right. This one I have not done what I wanted to do yet. So this one is still in play. This is by Canadian Finance Journey if you want to do a color and save. And my water only challenge, I'm going to be doing that in a separate video because that is being logged in a different notebook. So that is it for today for this money. And I know it was super quick because $165 goes by so fast. Oh my goodness. Oh, so I want to thank you for being here with me today and watching this video. Your support means so much to me. Until I talk to you again, happy budgeting and take care.